Welcome to my channel, ketomealsandrecipes.com. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an absolutely delicious, clean and healthy avocado Caesar salad dressing. This dressing takes only 5 minutes to make. Besides the obvious use of the salad dressing to top a Caesar salad, this avocado Caesar dressing is also very versatile and can be used in other ways. For example, the thick version, which is what I prefer, is an excellent dip with my keto nacho chips, or use it as an alternative salad dressing for my strawberry avocado salad. And if you want to use it in a very special recipe, please come back next week when I post how to make a classic Caesar salad and a chicken Caesar salad, which of course will use this particular avocado Caesar dressing. And what's really phenomenal about this upcoming recipe is the whole process, including grilling the chicken, takes less than 20 minutes, so you can have an amazing meal in no time, even on your busiest days. So please come back next week. But for now, I'm going to focus on the salad dressing. The macronutrient ratio for the avocado Caesar dressing is 23.4 to 1, with 0.8 grams of total carbs, 0.5 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in only 0.3 grams of net carbs per 15 gram serving. As you can see on this table, I'm only going to be using whole, fresh ingredients to make a very nutrient-dense and healthy avocado dressing. And if you're in a hurry and want something delicious, this entire recipe is made in the blender and takes less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is drop all the ingredients into a blender. I start with about half of my olive oil. This will coat the bottom of my blender and act as a lubricant so the ingredients will blend together better. Next, drop in the sour cream, pour in your freshly squeezed lemon juice, and the grated garlic. On this plate I've measured out my anchovy paste, the smooth Dijon mustard, and my finely ground salt. Drop this into the blender. As you can see, I've cubed my avocado in the shell, and I'm using a spoon just to scoop it out and dump it into the blender. I'm using a whole avocado, and this is the other half. Oops, we don't need the shell. To demonstrate how easy it is to make a salad dressing without an expensive blender, I'm going to use a somewhat weak and small, very inexpensive blender rather than my more powerful one. After placing the lid on the container, turn the dial or press the button to puree to a smooth consistency. That should take about 2 minutes, even with a weak blender. When everything is nice and smooth, pour in the rest of your oil and puree for 1 more minute to ensure I have a completely homogeneous, nice and creamy and thick mixture. Because I prefer and want this avocado Caesar dressing to be thick, not runny like a vinaigrette. However, if you prefer, you can thin out this avocado Caesar dressing to make it runnier and easier to pour. All you have to do is add water, but only a bit at a time. Pulse and puree between each addition of water, and repeat until the dressing is at the consistency and viscosity you like. By the way, the avocado Caesar salad dressing can be stored in an airtight container in your refrigerator. It will keep well and taste fresh for 5 to 7 days. Since this avocado Caesar salad dressing is so easy and quick to make, I would not make a very big batch, because one of the best things about the salad dressing is how fresh and clean the ingredients are and actually taste. As I've already mentioned at the beginning of the video, the salad dressing is very versatile and can be used in other ways. I've shown you a few ways that I like to use it, but how would you use it? I'm always looking for suggestions. And if you have a moment, please leave me a comment and let me know where you're watching this video from. And please share the link with someone you think might also enjoy my videos. But most of all, please come back next Thursday morning, because I will be using this recipe as part of my classic and avocado chicken Caesar recipe video. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Cheers!